Hi folks, it's Mike Murphy, and today's quick tip is in Screenflow 9. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to select all clips under the playhead. First, I'm going to drag up the timeline so you can see all of the clips on the timeline. To select all of the clips directly under the playhead, that's this right here. So all you have to do is tap on the letter S. S will select all of the clips directly under the playhead. I'll drag it to a new location, tap on the letter S, and all of the clips under the playhead will be selected. When might this be useful? Well, let's say that you want to delete a bunch of clips under your playhead, but you don't want to have to select them one by one. Just tap on the letter S and everything will be selected. So just drag the playhead, tap on the letter S, and everything under the playhead will be selected. That is your quick tip in Screenflow 9. My name is Mike Murphy. Cheers.